Yo, you want like a stronger back? You want like a stronger back? Well, you came to the right place. Come on, let's go. Hey! 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 Welcome back! Hello everybody, welcome back to the main part of the workout. Now I don't know if you knew this, but we're about to do a pull day. We're gonna do some deadlifts and other exercises. I hope you're willing to join me for this wonderful adventure of strength and something else. Strength and a warrior mindset. Cause that makes no sense. Something's wrong with me. Warm-up time. Why are you looking at me? Welcome back! Oh man, you know, I was really concerned when your battery kinda died. I mean, when you passed out. No, your battery died, you know, cause camera. Oh my goodness. I'm glad you're okay. I was warming up, I was even doing my deadlifts without you, but you're back. I'm rehabbing my performance. You wanna see me deadlift? Like, would you like to see it all? You mean get off you? You can't breathe? Do you want to watch me deadlift then? Awesome, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, hi. So, we're deadlifting. You know, we had to do a little CPR to you, but we got you back, and this is gonna be my top set. It's not heavy, 225. I am still rehabbing my injury though, so let's just get into it, see how it goes. Before we get into another exercise, have you hit the subscribe button yet? You should do that. I mean, you've watched this far, you might as well. Your attention span is locked in. Please. Just get the thing. That felt like totally nice, if you know what I'm saying. But it felt a little tight. But we're working past that. I think next week we'll go to 275 for a little set. We'll see how we feel there. Work back up to our maintenance strength. And then hopefully by then we look amazing, we're super slim, we can mark that out. Back to a bulk. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we did the deadlifts, that felt pretty good. So we're gonna do some pull-ups, we're gonna do several macro sets, and we're just gonna put them together for a total set. Now, if you're interested in learning what a micro set is, why I do them, let me know down in the comments. If you want to be better at pull-ups, just imagine you're hanging on the edge of a cliff and you're a superhero and you got to get yourself up to save everyone else that's hanging on the side of the cliff. You got to grab them and get up. So, imagine. I am a monkey. That's the best I could come up with. I'm not even gonna lie. That's funny. Just, hey, how's it going? Oh, hi. It was a joke. Oh, chest one. Oh. I told you! Too close, too head. My head's not usually this big. It's because I hit it. Don't look at my I saw you into my forehead. I'm leaving. So for those of you who didn't know, when you're doing pull-ups, to prevent your body from swinging, if you engage your core, that helps keep you more in line and you don't sway as much. And then secondly, to make sure that you mostly feel it in your lats and not so much your rear delt or your bicep, is you want to retract the scapula. You want to do that little motion right there like we did over there when we're doing it. And I'm sure you saw it towards the beginning of every set, is you want to retract the scapula. Make sure everything's tight and locked down before you go into the, the pull-up. Other words known as the hill climbing safety measure exercise, because you're like, oh no, it's life or death. This is the climax of the movie. This is where the hero saves everyone. Ah! You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's what happened. So now we're gonna do some bent over barbell rows to help grow and strengthen the upper back. One nice thing is I've maintained adequate strength levels when it comes over to bent barbell. Yeah, unga bunga. I'm gonna pick big stick up and pretend it's person. This is life survival exercise. Say person struck by lightning, fall down. You pick up and shake till wake up. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Because I can't talk. Espanol. Espanol. I really held my breath on that. Don't hold your breath. Bad. Make dizzy, lightheaded, head hurt. Head go bump, 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 bump. How you pick people off ground. You just, hey. That's pretty much it. Exercise. So lightheaded. I desperately hold my breath to keep braced so I don't hurt my back, because I'm scared. I'm still rehabbing. But a little bit of praying and rehabbing. I thought that was gonna rhyme better. I'm doing a lot better. So that was my last set of pick people up off ground after struck by lightnings. Which ironic, it's all made of metal, so it's very conductive. It's funny. Is that thunder? Pick up, I sat down. Heavy circle, make voice and head go quiet. I don't know if you noticed, but I was hinging at the hips and doing the shrugs. It's just, it aligns more with the fibers, the trap fibers, and you get such a better contraction. So try it next time. Slight hinge forward, and then contract up and back. It's amazing.
It's amazing.
The sad thing is this is so light compared to what I usually do. This is literally less than half the weight that I'm used to shrugging when I'm at normal strength for working sets of, I think, 8. I'm sweaty. This is like the most I sweat anymore. Now that it's wintertime, no matter how much I drink or how hard I work, it's like just right there. You want some? You're welcome. Well, needless to say, I've done all that I could do, and this music I'm listening to makes this moment so much more traumatic for the last exercise and set of the day. Thank you for joining me in this adventure of fitness. Today was a pull day, and the journey is progressing. We're getting back to good levels. Everything feels nice and strong. Injured butt, really coming back. And if I can keep up with the fasting, the diet, and the exercise, and the fasted cardio, and the cold showers, I should be lean enough time. We should get right back to that bulk. You don't worry, the bulk's coming. And I will be stronger than ever. I'm just ready for it. So it'll be cool to see what it'll look like, but I'm mostly wanting those numbers. Let me know down in the comments, do you prefer the numbers or do you prefer the physique? Do you want heavier levis? You want heavier levis? Do you want to be stronger or do you want to be leaner? And unless you're taking fun little substances, you can't do that naturally. So, because when you're in a deficit, you can't build anything. But anyway, let me know down in the comments which exercise was your favorite. Thank you for watching today's video. And if you haven't yet, please do subscribe. Share the video with any of your workout buddies who might enjoy this workout, this back day that's super fun and spectacular. Also, something else, I don't know, share with your buddies, subscribe, like the video, ring the notification bell. It doesn't take anything from you, just take the second, do it, help me out. You're so sweet, you're so kind, that's why you're the best. I hope you know that. You might as well, you know, you might as well do it. I don't know, what do you have to lose? Do it. Do it. Okay, thank you for joining today's video. As always, stay strong, stay smiling. I'll see you in the next video. This is Shiloh, signing off.